Getting your account verified with Tentrade is very fast, usually within 10 minutes, as long as you've uploaded your document. Two documents you need to upload are proof of identity and proof of address. Okay, now example of proof of identity is listed over here, which can be your national ID card or your international passport. For proof of address, you can use your utility bill, bank statement, credit card statement as listed here. So all you have to do is to upload each of this document, any of this document. So for proof of identity, click on upload, and you will be taken to the page where you upload everything here. So you want to select if it has expiry date, your document number, and every other thing. Once you're done with that, okay, you upload here the front and the back over here, and then you click on upload. Once you are done uploading proof of ID, you need to upload proof of address. So you go back to the page and then you click on upload, and then you perform the same action and upload proof of address over here. So once you upload these two documents, within 10 minutes, you should get feedback from our team letting you know that your profile has been verified.